We are batted in. Welcome back, YouTube. We are on, I think this might be a 24 model Pan America now. Once again, we've got this baby in sport mode. Don't go give it a rip, dude. This thing feels, now this is my kind of bike right here. I like the feeding position. The seat feels good. It's a light bike. I stalled it. He's trying to wheel it. Holy shit. Dude, this thing has some power. Okay. I literally just got off the 24 model road glide and then got onto this Pan America. And holy, what a difference. Dude, this thing is f***ing rowdy, bro. I like this a lot. But dude, these things feel so light and nimble. I'm not used to that clutch though at all. I feel like I'm shifting horrible. I'm blown. This was very unprepared. I'm just going to give you my overview on it, what I think of the bike personally. Taking a left. I can't see where we're going left at. Holy, that sun was bright. Okay, turn signal goes off on its own. Or no, I switched it to the other side. Okay, now it's off. These new controls, bro, always get me. Dude, the Pan America, I know one of my good buddies has a Pan America, and I know he be off-roading it like crazy up at Windrock and stuff. I see, now this is my kind of bike right here. Little wheelie. Whoa, stop me that thing. Be not those one people. I forget where they're from, but they do all that little nonsense back and forth. That was a little third gear pull. Dude, these things are rowdy, bro. If you haven't, dude, if y'all hate on Harley and you ain't really test rode any of the newer ones, y'all gotta come test some of these newer things they got out, bro. This 24 Pan America is really nice. I have rode another Pan America previously, but it was an older one. I didn't put out a video about it. All that good stuff. But dude, overall, bro, I've always liked the Pan America. I would be stuck between this or Africa Twin. Because I have the F07 and the Africa Twin sounds just like the F07 pretty much. Go back on to this, bro. The display is really nice. I love the display on these things. Let me try to take this curve real quick. Let me lock in real quick. Yes, sir, bro. This is just a completely different bike than Harley's ever made, really. Besides when they first came out with them, obviously. And dude, for an adventure bike, bro, I really like it. Can't lie. Butching it down through here. Yeah, I just love how light they feel. I've always been a fan of the Pan Americas. Huge shout out to, I'll have to get his name. Huge shout out to him at Smoky Mountain Harley Davidson in Maryville. Cool ass dude. We got back from the one test ride. He immediately wanted to go on another one with us. So I was like, I'm obviously down. Yes, sir. Look at us. Yeah. Badass dude. A 100-mile-an-hour pull for you at the end. Dude, you roll on her in fourth, bro. She gets it. Even fifth, about 95th, dude, she's pulling hard. Yes, sir. Shirt, my whole shirt keeps flying up. Dude, they were rowdy bikes, bro. The newer Harleys are definitely rowdy. Like I said in my other video, if you haven't come and tried them, come and try them. All you need is motorcycle endorsement. They will let you test ride them. Dude, I just can't stay out of the throttle on this thing. I'd love to hit her one with an exhaust on it. Anyways, we're about back to the dealership once again. My overview of the bike, I fucking love it. I can't afford it. If I can't afford one day, I promise you it'll be on my list. I'm riding the same color as that one. I love that color scheme too. The black on the gray on black. I like that a lot. Yeah, I love the feeding position on them. I know I could pull a nasty wheelie on this thing, but I don't want to not be able to come back and test ride more for you. They do feel nice standing up too. With the feeding position, it's very nice standing up on them. Yeah, look at you, no hands. The standing up position is very nice. And what's crazy to me is you can get a reckless driving ticket for that right there. You're not even letting go of the bars, just standing up. Reckless driving. Anyways, probably a shorter video again. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and until next time, this is Dank Rides. Peace.